Italy. Later on, it is going to be your Ilagan. So nagkwentuhan kami. Ang sabi lang niya, alam mo Brad, hindi kami pwede mag-relax against Bulacan. Kasi grabe puso ng team na to. Against itong Bulacan. That's why you see Simon Camacho going hard again on this first play of the ball game. Bison Rivera sa bola. They go to the post to Camacho. One-on-one against Kenneth.
Nice
Camacho
move.
with the drive. Camacho with a spin and the flow.
One of the reasons why is Mark Meneses. As soon as he gets the ball, he is the one that triggers and initiates a fast break.
Kenneth Castillo though, that seal inside.
See that spin right there. And that shot by Castillo underneath. Passing, but clearly there you saw that vision. Moralejo, step back.
Josh Moralejo.
Kailangan mo pa rin ipasok yung mga free throw na yan. Pero knock-off meantime. That's good.
Options he has. Acceleration, deceleration. Held the bomb. Goes for that 1-11. He want that alley-oop. And another time, the brothers. 5 seconds remaining. Akop, does he know it? Looks at the ring, stops, pops, drops! For Aaron Akop! Away, this was the last shot by Aaron Akop right at the nick of time. One guy we haven't seen is Herald Benedictos in the ball game.
I was gonna say the same.
Drive hard is good. The latest addition, Impact, Elmer Chavez. Welcome to the MPBL.
Well, definitely Chavez, one of the guys that they are very excited.
Coming from Talisay City, Cebu. The homegrown already has 4 points here in the ball game. Beautiful pass, but the block by Chavez.
Abangan sa kabila. Waiting for that moment.
Good block down low off the health side. Maraming kayang ibigay ito.
Yeah.
Coach Mike. Will see. Gets the three.
Need to score, but this time he had all that space. Left arc wing three. No problem at all for C.
This is the first lead of the ball game. Shot clock. 1-2-2 is the zone being played. Tamsi with a quick hands. Turnover for Jem Cruz. Takbo ang Cebu. Mark Meneses all the way for the lane.
And yung parang semi-ganon, no? Early pitch ahead and you ball reverse it the other side.
Ice with a quick hands. The lefties are doing it all. Ice with 5 in the ball game. Drives. Akop. Bounce pass to March De Leon is challenged by Camacho. Meneses, push ball, Itchy, all alone for the 2.
That's where it
Rebounded by Mart. Isa pang pagkakataon, 3 is short. Third try, no fresh 14. Moralejo with the left, that was tough.
might need to use that power inside that heft.
Akop on the drive, middle. Float is good. Wanted the foul. He might have a point.
Klase Aaron Akop talaga, no? Little rucker step. Got that baby and then eventually went middle of the floor for that twisted floater.
Are we still even surprised?
Not anymore.
Coach Mike, we're just fans at this point.
That's right.
The Chavez can't get the float. Isa pang offensive rebound. Wowie powers through the end.
Piece pulled out from the bench by Coach Aldrin. Right there, a couple of guys trying to stop him, and I'm not sure if it was Davao. I thought he was really playing very well, especially on the perimeter. Smooth.
Pump basket bonus. It's been long para dito kay Aaron Akop. Through the middle. Turnover for Josh Moralejo. Hesalem, he likes this. Early 3 for Hesalem is good.
Been more dynamic for Cebu.
Andre,
Wow.
beautiful pass going down to Elmer Chavez.
Parehong malakas, walang foul niya, but mas malakas yung kabila. It looked that way because he sold it. Nice.
William C gets the bomb, the basket, and the bonus.
Contributors for Bulacan right now. Able to track that missed shot and
Call thumbs down, Will C hesitates, fires. Offensive rebound, Castillo through the middle. Drop pass, Medina stays
Galing.
patient. Pump, basket, bonus.
even that drops that pass underneath.
Patience on patience. Castillo off the Sports Plus is the official sports book of the MPBL. Scan the QR code to player. Visit www.sportsplus.ph. William C gets the lead back for Bulacan.
Bulacan, now it's Cebu's turn to try and respond. Back to that zone again.
This gutsy, pesky, heartsy Bulacan team is once again challenging one of the giants. Turnover. Wowie, isa pa. Too long, too strong, and too good. Wowie is Kosho.
Got him stopped earlier, but a quick pass by Don Reverente resulted in that.
Decides to drive. Punta kay Reverente. One-hander is good for Don Reverente. Just another offensive rebound. Moralejo. Bounce pass to Mark. What a good fight with Mark Meneses. Sprints down and gets the block.
Kasi alam mo na nga abutin eh. And he has that lengthy arm that allows him to chase blocks like that. And this is
Enters that picture. 4 beautiful blocks here in the MPBL. Reverente with a strong attack. Switch. Pick and roll. Read well by Don Reverente. Buhay ang bola. And Don Reverente with the late by Extreme. Ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas.
you gotta get out of there if you're Alvin Baitiong.
Off in corner, pero nabuhay, nahanap, at napakiti. Etong si Al. Cruz stops, pops, drops.
Oh, my.
For Jem Cruz, a tough 3. 4 minutes of the ball game.
Slash middle.
Oh, ball is tapped. It's turnover for Itchy. Jem, 5 straight points for Jem. Alvin, 1-on-1. Alley-oop to Don Reverente. Far out, and 4 straight points. Gets this lead back all the way up to 8.
A lot of time.
Second leading scorer in the ball
there's a
game.
steal.
There you go, Josh Moralejo. 1-on-1 against Itchy Altamirano.
Really being defended well. In this instance, he had that rock, fumbled it, and there was that steal.
Pressure by Josh Moralejo is successful, getting that full court steal of the game. Dated last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Here he is, shooting the 3. It's short, but Josh Moralejo gets the putback.
With the chase.
Now Moralejo tries to drive. Dapat sila dito kay Jem Cruz.
You gotta get out of there.
Jonathan Medina drives. Can't find a teammate. Turnover by Jonathan Medina. 2 versus 1. Meneses flies. Blocked by William C. They're asking for a foul. 3-pointer by Jeff Cruz is good. What a sequence.
For the Cebu Greats looking for an advantage, they get that block on Mark Meneses, and quickly they sprinted back, got that to Jem Cruz, and he pops that 3.
No quit by Chong with the slip. Alvin can't get it to go. One more time. Alvin, 2 tries. And we are going to overtime. In the third quarter. And the leading scorer in Al Francis Tamsi.
Agree.
And Kosho gets the jumper.
His coach has done his thing.
Friend. Kasi sila dito kay Andre. Challenged by Wowie. Andre all the way.
Aaron Akop, but the other Akop went to that attack. Saw that positional advantage. He had a big man on him on a down.
10 seconds. 2-man game. Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Hang time by Wowie's Kosho. By Don. Swipe from behind by William C. C is blocked by Ice Ontiveros. Clean D by Ice. Drive, step back, Andre Armenion can't get it. Ice Ontiveros!
Goodness.
From nowhere! Iron pressured hard.
Good shutdown.
Doubled. Iron goes cross-court, stolen, and Cebu will escape in the overtime. What a win by Cebu.